Anthony, we're going to go buy my presents. And Daddy too. There's something to show you. Okay, there's some biggies. Anthony's at the room playing computer video games. Yes, I'm already. I'm still in the airplane. I'm still in the airplane, Lolo. The airplane is so fun. Just kidding.
Paano ko na yung video kay... Dali lang ang tunay. Ginapita pa ng tita. Tingin mo na.
I'm ready to the house.
Ta, amo ni laptop. Namuntawa nga ako ni laptop. Dako ni laptop ko ni. Ang laptop ko ni is... ano siya? Ang dako yan eh.
Already to the house? Anthony's doing it. Anthony
So dako ni siya.
is,
Dako ni yung tanawa.
Anthony's poo-pooing.
Damol ni siya.
Anthony?
Damol.
Here it's morning. Anthony is on the... Anthony
Damol
is
siya.
basketball playing.
Ang laptop.
This is the guy because we are doing our homework. Lolo.
Don't touch something. Anything. Ta, ang imo mga bag.
That's our backpack.
No, that's your tita thing.
Lolo.
Amo ni laptop oh.
Lolo.
Pangga sa kaya, di kagay sok-sok din laptop ang bago. Mo ni unod yo.
Yes? Oh, I think you have a girlfriend.
Ang unod ya.
Never said that, Anthony.
Ano unod yo may mga ano ni.
Okay. I think you're really What? If they fall one, they look like a potato.
Ibes ano na susuka bag ni ano mo tita ting mo.
Anthony, let us see that. Okay, what? Anthony, those purple? No.
Tawa sabi mo to ni.
Oh, I think it's underwear. Oh, it's so cool. What? Huh?
Anthony ko mami.
Wait, Anthony, you look like a purple dot monkey.
Tawa rin ton si mami mo ton. Ga, kay why na ta battery ka oh.
Okay,
Hi.
What? You gotta be kidding me. Oh.
Di ka rabes mo style kay wise lolo mo dat okay ito gusto mo oh.
Anthony, she said.
Nusuka ning bago.
Girlfriend. I'm just kidding. I was making it up.
Nusuka ning bago.
Because it was not even working. I just made tricks on you. That's so funny.
Siga suga tabla tabla batay mo suga oh.
What did? Yeah.
Be tikil talikod ka be. Nung takilid ko. Bako si mo do bao ka na ka.
Ew.
Kadlaw ka magamay.
Hello, mommy. Hello, Betty Kadas.
Sakto na oh muna nakdako.
I'm in a bad mood.
Ready?
Mahalo ka ba?
Yeah.
Pabaya ka daw?
Gamay like yung patay suga baga ka dulom dan sa balay daw ko.
Ano po yung na-video mo? Balay ka kay kagamu-gamu.